Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best small hand cream is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of self-care, but with our hands constantly exposed to the elements and various tasks, keeping them soft and healthy is crucial. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of small hand creams, exploring what makes a truly great product, and helping you find the perfect pocket-sized companion for your daily routine, whether you're battling dryness, seeking intense hydration, or simply want a luxurious treat for your hardworking hands. Number 5. EOS Shea Better Hand Cream. Experience the luxurious hydration of our new hand cream. It's infused with natural shea butter and coconut oil for a truly delightful experience. Enjoy the warm and inviting aroma of coconut, hibiscus, and solar musk. It's a fragrance that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. This rich lotion provides long-lasting hydration that lasts through hand washing. Keep your hands feeling soft and smooth all day long. It absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. Simply apply to clean hands, focusing on dry areas for intense moisture. Made with sustainably sourced shea butter and 7 nourishing oils and butters. It's gentle on your skin and kind to the planet. This hand cream is paraben, phthalate, and gluten-free. It's also dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and Leaping Bunny certified, meaning no animal testing. What we like? It has a delightful coconut scent that will make hand care a treat. This hand cream provides long-lasting hydration, lasting through hand washing. If you love natural ingredients and a luxurious feel, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The packaging is small, just 2.5 ounces, so it's convenient to carry in your bag or even in your pocket. The cream contains natural moisturizing ingredients, which not only promise effectiveness but also ensure that the product is safe for us. Its texture is light and delicate, which is really important for me. It's not heavy at all. The cream absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't leave any greasy residue. The cream is super lightweight, absorbs very quickly, leaves skin incredibly soft and supple, and has the most heavenly scent. It also lives up to its claim to withstand hand washing. Number 4. Gloves in a Bottle Shielding Lotion. Are you tired of dry, itchy hands? This deep moisturizing lotion provides long-lasting relief, even after frequent hand washing. It acts like an invisible pair of gloves, locking in moisture for 4 to 12 hours. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, healthy skin. This barrier cream absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It's perfect for everyday use and won't weigh your hands down. It's hypoallergenic and suitable for sensitive skin types, eczema, and psoriasis. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. Trusted by skincare experts and doctors worldwide, it provides unparalleled relief for dry, cracked hands and feet. Experience the difference. Treat the cause of dry hands, not just the symptoms. Upgrade your skincare routine and enjoy lasting relief. What we like? This lotion acts like an invisible glove to protect and heal dry, cracked hands. It's lightweight and non-greasy, making it perfect for everyday use. If you have sensitive skin or suffer from dryness, this is a must-have. What people say. It is light, dries quickly, and doesn't leave me feeling like I had my hands soaking in fat. This helps so much to keep my hands from drying out and cracking. It lasts through hand washing. It kind of feels like Elmer's glue when you first put it on, but dries down nicely. At the end of my work shift, my hands look and feel moisturized and the crepiness is almost non-existent. Number 3. Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. This fragrance-free hand cream is specially designed to help repair dry, rough skin. It's perfect for those with very dry hands that need extra care. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. You'll notice smoother hands after just one application. This cream is enriched with buffered alpha-hydroxy, ceramide, 3, and natural moisturizing factors to help restore your skin's natural moisture barrier. The travel-sized tube makes it easy to keep in your bag or purse, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. This pack includes 3 2.7-ounce tubes, providing long-lasting relief for dry hands. It's a great value and will last you a while. Experience the difference with Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. Say goodbye to dry, rough hands and hello to soft, healthy-looking skin. What we like? It's a fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula that leaves your hands feeling smooth. It's fragrance-free and perfect for sensitive skin. If you need effective repair for rough, dry hands without any added scent, this is ideal. What people say. This is a really good hand cream to use during the winter months. It is good to prevent drying and cracking skin, and a little seems to go a long way. This hand cream is great. It gives you a ton of moisture, but it is not greasy. This has been hands down the best hand cream since it was recommended by my doctor many years ago for extremely dry, cracked winter hands, and believe me when I say I had it really bad. My fingers would just crack from everyday use and from the winter months, but now it's been a staple for me. Number 2. CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. It's time to experience relief with this fast-absorbing hand cream. It's non-greasy and helps protect your skin from dryness and cracking. This cream is specially formulated with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and niacinamide to soothe irritated skin. Dimethicone and ceramides help restore your skin's natural barrier. It's fragrance-free and accepted by the National Eczema Association, making it perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Say goodbye to discomfort. Ceramides are essential for healthy skin, and this cream contains 3 essential ceramides to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. It's like giving your skin a protective hug. This cream is created by dermatologists to provide effective relief for dry, cracked hands. It's part of a complete CeraVe skincare line to address various skin needs. For best results, use it daily to prevent and protect against dryness. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This cream is fast-absorbing and non-greasy, perfect for daily use. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to retain moisture. If you need a daily hand cream that won't leave a greasy residue, this is the one for you. Number 1. Curel Extreme Dry Hand Relief. It provides long-lasting relief for extremely dry hands. The gentle and soothing formula is fragrance-free and dermatologist recommended. Use it after washing your hands for intensive moisture. It protects your skin from dryness for up to 24 hours, even after multiple hand washes. This fast-absorbing formula contains vitamin E and monoi oil, leaving your hands soft and smooth without any greasy residue. Its convenient size is perfect for your pocket or purse, allowing you to moisturize and relieve dry hands anytime, anywhere. It relieves dryness caused by everyday activities, such as frequent hand sanitizer use. It helps repair your skin's moisture barrier to prevent future dryness. What we like. It provides long-lasting dryness protection, even after multiple hand washes. The formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly. If you need long-lasting relief from dryness without a heavy feel, this is your solution. What people say. It absorbs within minutes and doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's healed my rough, dry hands and cracked fingertips. I also like the fact that it's fragrance-free and free of ingredients that I avoid. I have eczema-prone skin and it's also non-irritating. It's very moisturizing, and has kept my hands soft even during winter. It's pretty lightweight and soaks in almost completely within a few minutes. Its scent-free formula and moisturizing properties have made it an essential companion for my daily hand care routine. The non-greasy formula is ideal for office settings. It doesn't leave any residue on papers, keyboards, or other work materials, allowing me to apply it confidently without worrying about potential stains or damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.